Hello everyone, this is Dr. Caldeirinha, Living to 100 project. As you know, I share with you my weekly routine of doing 150 minutes of moderate exercise, like a jog or a run or walks. Today we are at the end of February, it's freezing cold, it's a rainy day, but we do not want the excuses. We want to do 21 minutes every day to achieve 150 minutes or 30 minutes for 5 days. I will share with you in the following weeks the paper that states that 150 minutes of moderate exercise has several benefits for your health. That will be for another video. Today I'm just going to do a little run in this raining day. See you around. That's it, 22 minutes. Today my motivation was bigger than my excuses. And as you see, it's raining. I told you it was a rainy day. It's freezing cold, it's rainy. So, you may ask me, aren't you afraid of getting a pneumonia? Well, my friends, there are plenty studies that show that cold exposure don't make you ill. In another hand, cold exposure boosts your immune system a lot. I've been taking cold showers, and this doesn't count as a cold shower, for about 6 months. Not much, only 6 months. And in that time period, I think I've been sick just one time, and was nothing special. Before that, with my comfy hot water, I get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colds per year. I don't know, maybe coincidence. I didn't vaccinate this year. I'm not anti-vaxxer, but I didn't want to vaccinate this year from cold or COVID, and so far so good. The best year overall in overall health. So guys, see you in the next video. Maybe sometime in the next time I will discuss a little bit with you the cold benefits. And now I have to rush to my house. Bye bye, stay focused. 150 minutes of moderate exercise every week makes you live over 100. Bye, ciao.